What's happening? Welcome back, guys. I'm here with my brother Jack. We're gonna be doing some fishing today. Got some brand new rods. These are our pocket combo rods. They're 30-inch telescoping rods with 6-pound line. We're not fishing for salmon, although the salmon are running right now because they are spawned out. We're so far inland that by the time they get here, they're actually rotting. There's one right there jumping.
There's a shark in the water.
Shark in the water.
Besides that, we got some hooks. Here, the regulations say you can only use single hooks right now, and you can only have 2 fish per person a day. And we're gonna be attaching these swivel clips onto the line so that it's easier for us to switch hooks if we want to. So let's go ahead and get into it.
I'm young, I don't know what to do. Can't wait, I'm 22. Guess I'll keep going, I'll just push through. If you understand, join my crew.
MTCB.
I wanna be famous, don't distract me. I won't make it, that's what they guarantee. When I
All right, so we come to a good spot in the creek that I'm going to show you guys whereabouts we think the fish are. So you kind of see how right here the creek comes down and starts turning, and it gets deeper and deeper, and there's these logs and stuff for the fish to hide under. So Jack's going to go ahead and start fishing here, and we'll see if we get anything. Are you serious?
Yeah.
All the hooks in my bag?
Yeah.
What do you got?
I got a shark. A shark
Shark in the water.
in the water. Oh, dude, he's just taking my line. Oh my gosh. This is like a world record right here. Look at it. It's all the way down. It's so big. Little baby one. Oh, yeah. Oops.
Let's go.
I'm gonna try throwing it right to that tree. We need to catch a massive one, dude. Hits it and just takes it.
Oh, we got something.
Nuh-uh. Oh, you got one. Tighten up your
Oh, it's a small Grayling, I
it's
think.
a little small one. Tighten it way up. Yeah. It's food for the dinner.
Dolly Varden.
Nice. Nothing too big.
There we go.
Grab him. Look at that fin.
Oh, sheesh.
Hold on.
Let's go. Get this hook out of him. There we go. There we go.
In the water. Oh,
Gonna wash him up
grab a
little.
stick and pretend that's the fish then.
Oh, there you go.
Look at that. Look at that. He's a fighter.
Jack's got one on the line.
Bending the rod a little. Maybe take it.
Nice. What a beautiful fish.
Got a little 6-pound weight, so we don't.
Oh, nice. He's a good
one.
size.
Just like yours.
Heck yeah. Okay, get that hook out.
Oh, look at making the noise.
Oh, yeah.
Look at
All
that.
right. See what you got. Nice size fish. Can you pick that fin up a little? Look at that.
Okay.
Beautiful. Nicely done. It's about a foot, couple inches long. All right.
There you
There he goes. Hey, nice one.
They do it right there.
Yo, look at the camera. Yo, look at this truck here. Must have gotten washed down during the flood or something. We are really far away from the road.
Think we could get it running?
Ah, maybe.
Alright, Joe caught a little one.
A little tiny one here.
Little, I don't know what's going on with all these little small ones. Look at it, it's a little tiny thing.
So much bigger than the actual lure too. Yeah. Little guy. There we go.
I mean, if you were hungry, you could eat him.
Yep. All right. Oh man, still got some life left in him. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit. Oh, yeah, I'm really bad at that. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Oh.
Alright, let him go. Go ahead. Be free.
We're gonna take a quick break here because we've been going for quite a while. Got some Cliff Bars. I got a Pepsi. Bryce got a lemon and lime soda. Oh.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
The little one again, dude.
Man, that's crazy.
The little one. He's not even like fighting me that hard. Trying to throw the hook, as you can see. Nice fin on him. Come here.
A nice grayling, huh?
A nice little small one.
There we go. Nice. Nicely done. Go ahead and hold them up for size.
I think this is the one you caught.
No way.
No, it was way bigger, wasn't it?
Yeah. All right, let them go. Woo. Speedy. All right, guys, we're gonna head back up to the truck here. So as we're going, we're gonna hit those fishing spots that we're promising, and we caught a couple other fishing. But besides that, let's go.
First cast.
First cast. Looks like we got
It was a fighter who was jumping before.
Oh man, we missed all of them jumping.
Yeah. That's a nice one. Nice little this rod.
Nice rainbow.
Don't let him do that. Grab him.
Oh, look at that. Some nice,
First cast too.
nice rainbow trout here. Might have to grab the pliers, bro. All right, look at that. A beautiful rainbow trout there. You can see the nice spots in that rainbow color. All right. Alrighty. Free. There he goes.
There he goes.
You got some?
Yeah, boy.
Woo! How's it feel?
Small.
Small? Another grayling?
Fighting, yeah.
Man.
A small one.
Bring it over here.
Come here, fishy. Fishy.
Nice.
Come here. Man, they're little slimy buggers. Get that hook out your mouth. Get that up.
There you go. Hold them up. Look at the camera. Nice, dude.
Come on now. There you go. There he goes.
There he goes.
This one's a big one.
That's what I'm talking about. It might be a rainbow here.
Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Heck yeah, dude. He's taking it.
Dude, I like this. I like this fishing rod. Oh, it's a rainbow.
Is it rainbow?
Nice rainbow.
Heck yeah. He did a good jump. He was a couple feet out. Hey!
There we go. Alright. Not bad. Fire him out a little bit. Woo! Let's go, let's go.
Trying to shake that hook.
Try to shake it. Oh man.
Grab him.
Oh, this is a
Nice one. Wow.
Oh my god.
That's a good one.
Dude, should we eat him?
Nah.
Oh shoot, oh shoot.
Grab him. You're horrible at it.
Damn, maybe if we...
No. Did you get him? Yeah, he's bleeding a little. That's fine.
Look
Turn him around. Get it. Oh my gosh, he's horrible at fishing.
Let me put my finger in.
No, it's...
Look at that.
Oh, I'm real bad at videoing. Put him in the water a little. Look up.
There we go.
Heck yeah.
All right, this is what it's about, boys. This is why we're here today, to get beautiful fish like this. So, see you guys in the next one. Beautiful. Alrighty, guys, that wraps up another day of fishing. Super fun. Definitely didn't catch as many big fish as we usually do. There were a ton of little grayling. We're usually catching more larger rainbow, but still a really good day. In a survival situation, you could definitely just keep your little ones and they add up to a meal. So pocket combo did super well. Really enjoyed it. Would recommend it for those people who want to do a lot of backpacking and whatnot and they need something that's compact. Apart from that, we'll see you guys in another video. Let's go. Really happy with the pocket fishing rods.
Oh my gosh, the hook's in my seat.